Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of LiveGood yet, woo! You're missing out right now. LiveGood is one of the hottest online money making opportunities out there. It morphs affiliate marketing and network marketing. It's just a dope ass opportunity. All right. So there are webinars that go on every week, right? Different groups and teams and everything. They put on their own webinars. And I actually got a chance to hear one where one of the highest earners, actually the highest earner in LiveGood, was talking on there. Now these are private webinars, right? You have to have a special link to get on these. All right. So your boy got one, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm on the squad, right? So I checked it out. Now the highest earner, his name is Tim. All right. And he basically said, you know, how I got to this point. How did I get to the point where, guess what? He made almost 6 figures in 1 month in LiveGood. And keep in mind, LiveGood, as I'm making this video, has only been around 5.5 months, right? 5.5 months. And in 1 month, this guy's made close to 6 figures. So if that doesn't motivate you, and then pretty much nothing will. But in this webinar, you know, he talked for about like 20 minutes. And he mainly said, listen, when you join LiveGood, right? You have a corporate page that has different, you know, products on there, right? It shows the business, right? You have another page, basically a product page where people can sign up and just become, you know, a straight, you know, just buy products straight up. No discount, no deals, just buying products. Then there's a third page that you get, and it's called the LiveGood tour page. This page is basically like a, you know, an opt-in page, a sales page, whatever. And it has a video on that page that breaks down LiveGood and the actual LiveGood business opportunity. All right. This page is the page, really the only page that Tim promotes. His strategy to getting all this money, to being the highest earner, is send people to that tour page. No matter how you do it, get people to that tour page. Get people to take the tour. Now I know you might be watching, it's like, bruh, really? Like, that's common sense. But you got to ask yourself, is it though? Because a lot of times people make things so complicated, right? They jump on this opportunity because it's so popular right now. And it's just a lot of information. You know, some people tell you to do this. Some people tell you to do that. Some people tell you to create an opt-in form, right? Create your own sales page yourself. Some people tell you to, you know, do flyers. Some people tell you to do, you know, TikTok videos, Facebook reels, all kinds of stuff people tell you to do. And it confuses people, right? But ultimately, he's like, listen, you want the keys to my success? Here it is. Get people to the damn tour page. Get them there, right? And that's right there. It's just like, it's common sense, but it's motivating, because I'm like, yo, this dude, he didn't create any opt-in pages, right? Matter of fact, he doesn't even have any offline materials he's using right now. I think maybe he will in the future, but right now, all he does is put out content on his Facebook talking about LiveGood. This is what he does. He talks about the LiveGood opportunity on his Facebook page, and he talks about it all the time, right? He's blunt with it. He's straight out, because, you know, a lot of people, when they do Facebook marketing, they, you know, they like to, you know, all these strategies like beat around the bush a little bit, put up this post, then don't promote here, but promote there. Nah, he's just like, look, LiveGood. LiveGood, LiveGood, great opportunity, LiveGood. And he just goes hard with it. He's consistent. He's relentless with it. That's the key. This dude is relentless, right? He's like, I'm not stopping, right? He almost hit 6 figures last month. He's like, I'm just getting started. I said, ain't this a bitch? I'll be damned. Like, you just getting started? What you doing, right? But he's like, I'm just getting started. And the thing is, he stresses to people, everybody on that call. He's like, y'all can do it too. Y'all can do what I'm doing, but you just have to be aggressive. You have to be relentless. You have to get people to that tour page. And what happens is a lot of people, you know, they get involved and they'll get a little traffic and they'll check their back office and they see their links got maybe 10 clicks, maybe 50 clicks, and they didn't get any signups yet, any pre-enrollees yet. So they get discouraged. If you're trying to be successful and live good, damn it, this is me talking, right? If you're trying to be successful with it, you got to think big. You got to think big numbers, because there's a lot of people out there, they don't understand network marketing, affiliate marketing. They don't understand how powerful this opportunity really is, right? So you're going to have to really put this out in front of a lot of people if you want to hit that $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month and beyond. Like, you got to take this opportunity serious. And listening to Tim on that call, it just really motivated me even more to be successful with LiveGood. And I'm gonna close with one thing that he said that made me laugh out loud when he said it on the call. He was like, I don't know exactly how he said it, but he said, I don't care if you got to take a piece of paper, write your domain name on it, put it in your dog's mouth, and send them out your front door to get the word out about that tour. If that's what you got to do, then do it, right? So think about that. It's all about getting people to that tour page. No matter how you got to do it, figure out what method you prefer, what method that you can really do on a consistent basis, whether it be posting on your Facebook wall, right? Whether it be creating Facebook Reels, whether it be YouTube videos, whether it be offline marketing, like whatever it is, pick it and be consistent and go hard, because I want you to sit back and vibe out that this dude making close to $100,000 last month. But damn all that, that's crazy. That's what. But just imagine if you went hard and you can get to that $10,000 a month, because there's already several people in LiveGood who's doing that after 5 months. So really vibe out and ask yourself, damn, what if I went hard and made $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month from LiveGood? So if you haven't taken a LiveGood tour yourself, click that link in the description, take the tour right now, and I will see you on the team. Let's get this money.